Did you know that just 10 minutes of morning yoga can significantly improve your flexibility and set a positive tone for your day? It's true. A little bit of stretching in the morning can work wonders for both your body and mind. So, if you're ready to kickstart your day feeling amazing, you're in the right place. Welcome to this beginner-friendly morning yoga session designed to enhance your flexibility and promote relaxation. Whether you're a complete novice or looking to refresh your practice, today we'll focus on gentle, accessible movements that anyone can do. So grab your mat, find a quiet space, and let's get started. Many people struggle with tight muscles and stress in the morning, making it hard to start the day feeling energized and flexible. Maybe you woke up feeling stiff, or your mind is racing with a million thoughts about the day ahead. This can lead to a negative mindset, and we don't want that. It's essential to take a moment to connect with your body and breathe deeply. That's why dedicating just 10 minutes to yoga can be a game changer. Trust me, by the end of this session, you'll feel looser, lighter, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. In this session, you'll follow along with gentle stretches and poses that cater to beginners, helping to release tension and improve mobility. We'll start with some easy neck rolls to ease any stiffness, then move into some gentle side stretches to open up the spine. Next, we'll flow into a gentle cat-cow stretch, which is fantastic for warming up the back. As we progress, I'll guide you through each pose step by step, reminding you to focus on your breath. Remember, it's all about listening to your body, so if something doesn't feel right, feel free to modify or skip it. We'll reach a key moment in our practice where you will feel the most significant release of tension and a surge of relaxation. This will happen during our downward dog pose, a personal favorite for many. As you press your heels down towards the mat and lengthen your spine, you'll feel a stretch through your hamstrings and calves. Take a moment to enjoy that feeling of openness and release. Breathe deeply here, inhaling positivity and exhaling any stress or tightness. This is where the magic happens, and you might just surprise yourself with how good it feels. To wrap up, we've covered essential stretches that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine for lasting flexibility and calm. Remember, consistency is key. Even just a few minutes of yoga each morning can help you feel more grounded and flexible throughout your day. So take what you've learned today and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, comment on your experience, and subscribe for more yoga videos. I'd love to hear how you felt during the session and what you'd like to see next. Let's keep this positive journey going together. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.